Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro 734. So we'll go ahead and wait for the lab to load so that we can start up right away. Alright, so the lab has loaded and we go ahead and open terminal. And in the terminal, you're going to type in group mode and space -n space western _ sales space sales, and you press enter. Group mode, group add, and eastern _ sales. You press enter, and user mode space -g eastern _ sales space A Espinosa and you press enter. And you type in CAT space /etc /group and then you press enter. So wait for this to load and we'll go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video helpful, you also want to consider sharing on other platforms so that others can benefit. Also like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.